Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Tinkerbell in Infinity Craft. First thing we need to do is we need to add water right here. Now on this water, let's add in here another water, and then let's merge those two waters together. Now we have a lake. Now let's set that right here, and on this lake right here, let's add another one, and then from in there, what we can do is I can actually just merge that in the lake in order to have an ocean. Now on this ocean right here, let's head over and put in here earth. And on this earth right here, we can just position it right there and then put that on the ocean, and now we have an island. Now on this island right here, we can have another earth and then put that right here just beside the island. Now let's merge island and earth, and now we have continent. Now on this continent right here, let's head over and put in here a lake. Now let's merge the continent with the lake, and now we have US America. So for this US America right here, let's just put it aside, and then let's put water right here, and on this water let's merge US America to that water, and now we have freedom. Let's add another water, and on this another water we can just head over and add another island. Now let's actually just merge the island to the water, and we have ship, and on the ship right here, let's put in here another freedom right here. So you can also just use another island if you want. So on this island right here, you can just put that on the ship, and now we have a pirate. Now for this one, we can actually head over and just use US America again, and then in here let's merge the pirate with US America, and now we have Captain America. Now for this one, the next thing we need to do is we need to head over to another element, and then you can see the freedom right here. Let's put that in here, and let's add pirate. So since we have pirate, let's merge it to a Captain America, and now we have Captain Hook. Now let's put Captain Hook just around here, and then since we are getting near, we can head over and add another element. So let's put in here island, and then we have Peter Pan. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to head over and click on another island right here, and then from in there add US America, and then merge the US America to the island, and we have Hawaii. And this Hawaii, just put that on Peter Pan, and now we have Tinkerbell right here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.